don't know if that's how you spell formatting, but I'm just going to take a wild guess and hopefully it's a TT. Okay, so another important thing you need to understand is your indents. What are your indents? You can have two pieces of text like this. Let's say this is one of your paragraphs, and then the same paragraph is over here. Your indent is basically the amount of space that you leave empty only on the first line of each paragraph. So when you open up your book and you read a book, you see some lines like that, you're going to see something that looks a little bit like this. So now you know here is paragraph 1, here is paragraph 2, here is paragraph 3, because you can show when each paragraph starts just by indenting or having an indent on the first line, which basically means you leave 0.2 or 0.5 of an inch at the start of every line. Again, this all depends on your book and blah, blah, blah. Sometimes I leave 0.25, sometimes I leave 0.5. It all depends on the font that I pick and the size of my font and who the book is for. If it's for kids, I'll pick a larger font. If it's for adults, I'll pick a smaller font. So it all depends on a bunch of different things. But your indents are basically the amount of space that you leave at the start of every line. That way you can show the reader that a new paragraph has started. And it's very easy for your eyes to see that a new paragraph has started because you see the empty space at the first line.